Hello, and thank you for sharing this time with me. It's my hope that what I'm about to show you will help you to understand what makes GNLD home care products your perfect choice for a healthier home and a healthier environment. And that with this knowledge and these products, you will be able to make a positive difference in your life and the lives of all of those around you. Now join me for a few minutes in my office while we take a closer look at this important subject. As the population of our planet continues to soar towards 10 billion, scientists around the world are warning us that we're changing the face and climate of our planet, and it's not for the better. They're telling us that we have to become more considerate of our environment and what we are doing to it, or risk disaster of catastrophic proportion. We're already hearing about and experiencing the early symptoms of this global problem: ozone holes, melting ice caps, changing weather patterns, diminishing drinking water, too much garbage and nowhere to dump it, toxic runoff from landfills, and waste, waste, waste. All are changing our world in a way that we may never be able to undo if we don't change our ways. Scientists are telling us that because we overuse our resources and overburden our waste stream, the world we're leaving to our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren, and future generations will not be the one we have known. They're telling us the world we have known is dying. But these same scientists are telling us that it's not too late to do something. If we start now, we can still avert a global environmental disaster. We have the tools and the technology to change our current course of destruction. It's only a matter of people taking appropriate personal action and beginning to reduce the burden we all place on our planet's delicate environment. GNLD home care products and the science and philosophy behind them are perfectly suited for this challenge. Our low-dose, low-burden approach to home care already delivers the tools and the technology needed to help address this looming crisis. With GNLD home care products, you can reduce your personal environmentally damaging waste. You can begin to rid yourself of the bad habits of excess. You can remove potentially harmful chemicals from your home and thus from our environment. Together, we can make a difference. GNLD has its roots in the first environmental awakening of the 1960s. A large portion of our company's history focuses on providing people with environmentally sensitive home care products. We've led the way towards more environmentally friendly products and packaging for decades. Over those years, minimizing adverse environmental impact has always been an important part of our company philosophy. It's what we call our low-dose, low-burden approach to environmental sensitivity. Simply stated, this means that if we lower the amount of material we put into our environment, we can thus lower the burden that we place upon it. It's a philosophy that most environmentalists will embrace wholeheartedly, and it's a practice that offers a viable means for each of us to help sustain the billions more people destined to occupy our planet in generations to come. GNLD's home care product philosophy is backed by a sophisticated scientific approach that's aimed at and delivers the maximum cleaning performance from the minimum amount of materials. It can be seen throughout the GNLD range of home care products. Every one of them was developed to deliver optimum performance, but with a sensitivity towards their potential environmental burden. The unique benefits of this approach are probably most apparent in our two market-leading cleaners, Super 10 and LDC. Both products deliver an effective, versatile, and concentrated approach to cleaning, while at the same time helping to protect our environment in several ways. Let me show you what I mean. I'll start with our amazing multi-purpose cleaner, Super 10. Super 10 was originally created to offer a high-powered multi-purpose cleaning alternative that was environmentally safe compared to the earth-damaging mass-market products of the time. To achieve this, our formulators took the most comprehensive approach available in modern detergent chemistry. They combined 3 distinctly different types of cleaning compounds: soaps, solvents, and surfactants into one unique formula. Known as triple cleaning power, this mixture delivers cleaning performance that has been unsurpassed ever since. Here's how it works. During manufacture, a mild but powerful soap is created by reacting organic fatty acids with an alkaline stabilizing compound. This soap helps penetrate and remove dirt, dust, and organic soils by first loosening them from the surface being cleaned and then holding them in suspension until they are rinsed or wiped away. Next, a mild organic solvent is added. This solvent provides exceptionally high cleaning performance by penetrating and dissolving grease, oils, grimes, and especially those petrochemical-based materials found in and around appliances and machines. Next, a strong, broad-spectrum, non-ionic surfactant is added. This special material cleans by actually making water wetter and carrying that water molecule deep inside dirt, grime, grease, and oil, where it literally breaks them down and captures them by the process known as emulsification. Individually, each of these compounds is a potent cleaner. Together, that cleaning power is multiplied as they work synergistically to attack cleaning challenges from many different angles. In addition to being biodegradable, it is this unique formula that makes Super 10 so environmentally sensitive. Because of its triple cleaning power synergy of soap, solvents, and surfactants, only a small dose of Super 10 is needed for even tough cleaning tasks. That means less material is added to the environment and thus less burden on the environment is created. It's the GNLD low-dose, low-burden environmental benefit. That benefit is added to in other ways as well. Because Super 10 is so concentrated, it needs to be diluted with water to work at its best. In fact, for its most common uses, a 1-liter bottle of Super 10 actually delivers 11 liters of heavy-duty spray cleaning power. When you compare that to the ready-to-use brands with water already added, 1 bottle of Super 10 and its reusable spray bottle is equivalent to about 15 or more ready-to-use spray cleaning products. That means each time you use a liter of Super 10, you have kept as many as a dozen or more other bottles and sprayers from ever entering your personal waste stream, or from ever being created for that matter. This is another example of how the environmental benefits of Super 10 can provide this advantage for you. Another great example of the environmental benefits that GNLD home care products have to offer can be seen in LDC. Like Super 10, LDC was originally created to offer an environmentally sensitive alternative to the earth-damaging mass-market products of the time. It too takes a broad-spectrum approach to the challenges of cleaning. But where Super 10 was formulated to deliver the strongest cleaning muscle, LDC had to be concentrated and powerful, yet gentle enough for the most delicate cleaning tasks. To achieve this goal, our formulators relied heavily upon biodegradable surfactants, but not just one type, or even 2, but a multiple surfactant system that combines emulsifiers, solubilizers, and wetting agents in a uniquely powerful and synergistic way. Here's how it works. First, LDC works on the principle of making water wetter. By literally reducing the chemical forces that hold the water molecules together, LDC penetrates deep into even water-resistant soils. Technically known as surface tension, it's this force in the water that causes it to form dome-shaped drops on most hard surfaces. When LDC is present in the water, though, those forces are modified in a way that makes the water penetrate more rapidly. It makes the water wetter. Once in contact with the material to be removed, LDC attacks on multiple fronts with a blend of surface active agents. These surface active agents, or surfactants as they are called, are compounds known to exert very specific effects on different types of soils. Each one was selected for its proven performance on a specific cleaning target. From removing the types of cleaning challenges encountered in the kitchen, such as food residue on dishes, pots, or pans, to wiping away petroleum, oil, and grease buildup on appliances and household machinery, to gently lifting body oils and perspiration residue from delicate hand-washable clothing, to cleansing the hands of kitchen, garden, and garage soils and grime, and much, much more. LDC's multi-surfactant system delivers powerful, versatile cleaning in a gentle and effective way. It's this multiple surfactant system and its highly concentrated form that allows LDC to fulfill GNLD's low-dose, low-burden philosophy and gives it its strong environmental sensitivity. Like Super 10, it's the synergistic effect of the surfactants in LDC that mean only a little is needed to get the job done. And like Super 10, LDC works best when diluted with water. Because of its high concentration, 1 liter of LDC actually represents at least 6 liters of cleaning power. That means by making LDC and its reusable dilution bottle your choice for these cleaning challenges, you can reduce the amount of cleaning chemicals you put into the environment and the amount of packaging waste as well. How important can this be? Just consider these numbers. Since their introduction, because of their concentration in reusable dilution bottles, the amount of Super 10 and LDC used around the world is roughly equivalent to keeping nearly 500 million ready-to-use mass-market bottles from ever entering our environment. Think about that for a moment. Nearly 500 million bottles. If we line them up end to end, that would make a line nearly 80,000 miles long. A line of bottles that stretched around the world nearly 3.5 times. That is a huge number. I think you can see how GNLD's approach to environmental sensitivity works for our home care products. We deliver highly concentrated, extremely versatile products that include and employ broad-spectrum synergistic cleaning power with a minimum amount of water and a minimum amount of packaging. You dilute the product to suit the specific job using only the small dose needed. You reuse the dilution bottle rather than throwing it away. The result is maximum cleaning performance and minimum waste. That's the GNLD low-dose, low-burden advantage. And on top of all that, GNLD home care products can save you money too. Because of their highly concentrated synergistic performance and versatility, they can perform a wide array of cleaning tasks, effectively eliminating the need for dozens of other specialty products. And because you add the water, the cost per bottle of cleaning solution is dramatically less. It has never been more important to take personal responsibility and action to defend our environment. Contact a GNLD office or an independent GNLD distributor near you to learn more about all of the amazing GNLD home care products and our healthy home programs. The environmental challenges that confront us all today need to be addressed. We all need to become more conscious of the fact that the damage we are doing to our environment is rapidly becoming irreparable. We all need to take more personal responsibility for doing something about it. By lowering the dose of materials we consume each day and lowering the unnecessary burden we place upon our planet, we can contribute to correcting these problems for ourselves and for future generations. GNLD home care products and the science and philosophy behind them are one way by which this can be done. They're the perfect choice for everyone who wants to pursue a healthy home and a healthier environment. Try them for yourself and experience the GNLD difference.